see there? Such a transparent example of trying to dodge, looking embarrassed, not knowing what to do. Is this the way a police is supposed to act against someone who is accused of waging war against the state? Joining us on the News Hour tonight, Subramaniam Swamy of the Janata Party, Dr. Taslim Ahmad Rahmani, who's president of the Muslim Political Council of India, Nirmala Sitharaman, national spokesperson of the BJP, Abid Rasool Khan, spokesperson and general secretary of the Andhra State Congress. My first question is to you, Mr. Khan. What's going on? The Andhra Pradesh government is run by the Congress party. Why is the Congress party looking so scared? Somebody is accused of trying to wage war against the Indian state, divide the people of this country, put religion versus religion. Why can't you act and show some courage there to take this man on? Who is he?
Basically, there's no question of being...
Yes.
Mr. Arnav, there is no question of being scared or dodging it. The government has acted as per the law, and immediately on 24th, when he had delivered the speech, next day onward, the speech has been taken into cognizance and a watertight case has been booked against him. Akbaruddin Owaisi, who was away for treatment, came back today morning. Then he shot off a letter to the IO saying that he wants time for him to appear in Adilabad, which is about 8 hours drive from Hyderabad.
And you gave him time.
That is as per the IO. I am nobody to give him.
Who does the IO report to? Who does the IO report to?
IO reports to the police. Our government does not interfere in the police matters.
Multiple cases. Why does your police appear to be unsure? Your DGP told us this morning.
They are not sure. They are doing a good job.
The Director General of Police told us, the Director General of Police, a small case, minor case. Why should the DGP look at it? Go ask the investigating officer. You ask a policeman today in Andhra Pradesh. Sir, please 1 minute. You ask a policeman in Andhra Pradesh, he looks positively confused. Why is there confusion? A man is charged under 121A conspiring to commit certain offences against the Indian state. So is that why you are elected?
Let me answer you. Give me a minute's time. I am not confused. I am giving a very straight reply that the law is taking its course.
Sir, this law is taking its course answer is frankly boring. It doesn't mean anything.
Let me tell you. Let me give you the details. Just give me a minute's time. Let me give you the details. Basically, he has asked for time. We have not granted time. The IO is taking a call on that. He will take a call, and if needed, he will come to Hyderabad and arrest.
I know that in
the meantime, he has moved to the High Court.
So I know there are 3 cases against him. Your government has hesitated. It has delayed. He was directed to appear before investigation officers in Adilabad on 7th. First you delayed, you allowed him to continue his London holiday. He was directed to appear before the Nizamabad Town Police on January 8th. Another notice has been served on him by the Osmania University Police now, directing him to appear on January 10th. 2 FIRs are against him in Adilabad and Nizamabad courts. Third is filed against the MLA by the Osmania University Police. The fact is this, sir. Please accept it till the media picked up the case. Till the media picked up the case. Even your chief minister, I think his name is Kiran Reddy. He was trying to laugh off this case.
Kumar Reddy.
Yes, he was trying to laugh off the case. I want to get Nirmala Sitharaman.
Basically, let me answer. Give me a minute's time. Let me clarify.
Hear the other side. Hear the other side today. I'll come back to you. Nirmala Sitharaman, do you think the state government is scared? Do you think they are buying time in this particular case against Akbaruddin Owaisi?
Undoubtedly, yes. I'll just give you 3 more examples to say it is not just this time, but it has also happened earlier. 2009, it is the same party which threatened the former DGP then, saying, you remove your uniform and come out, I'll show who you are and who I am. And no action was taken on that. Second, I'll give you an example of the public distribution system being checked up through the ration shops, whether they are being, effectively serving the people or not. The minister, I think it was Kashuk Krishna Reddy, who went in for a, checking up of the ration shops. There was such a scandal that he was asked to get out immediately from the area because he came without the permission of this party. He's a minister. He goes to check up if the, PDS is working effectively or not. The minister was driven out and he had to go and sit in Darussalam office of Mr. Owaisi to seek apology from him. To say apologies to him and seek his pardon. This is how they have been threatening. And the third final example I'll give you is during the Ganesh Chaturthi procession, when there was curfew imposed in the town, you had this one MP and a handful of MLA's party going and sitting on a dharna opposite a police station and entering into the police station and removing all their supporters and going away scot-free. Until today, the Congress government, which has been in alliance still recently with this party, did not have action taken on any one of these three instances that I've suggested to you. And today we are seeing this instance where, in spite of very clear evidences available through the YouTube and other things, action is not being taken. But upar se we are going, the police officers are going and sitting and saying, what is your problem? Would you like to be arrested? My question is there a law and order situation under control in Andhra Pradesh?
No, exactly.
And they were in alliance very well. But now they are not in alliance. He's gone off to Jagan Reddy's party. Is the law the same for everybody, or is it one for some set of people and something else for some others?
No, 1 minute. Nirmala Sitharaman, the MIM has withdrawn support to the Congress both at the centre and Andhra Pradesh. But if my information is right, both parties continue to share power in the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. Am I right? Am I right, Abid Rasool Khan?
Yes.
Yeah, basically.
Am I right? No. So why are you going soft on your ally? They are your allies in the local municipal corporation.
Even if needed, we will also part the ways at the municipal level. There is
if needed when
no going soft.
If needed when after he's made one more speech
that is for the High Command. I cannot. Mr. Arnab, I cannot answer your direct question on that.
No, why can't you answer my direct question?
I am having that authority.
No, 1 minute, Abid Rasool Khan.
No, listen to me. I do not have that authority to answer that question.
You are a general secretary of your party. What is your hunch? Let's get Subramaniam Swamy.
I am telling you on behalf of the party that we are taking a decision on that very shortly.
Really? When is shortly?
We will come back.
When is shortly? What is the definition of shortly?
Not much more.
Law will take its own course.
Couple of days.
No. Look at these comments. 1 minute, Abid Rasool Khan. Law which will take its own course. 1. Ridiculous comment number 2. We are going to take a decision very shortly. The ridiculous comment number 3, which gets the prize for the most ridiculous comment, is that of the Director General of Police, who said to Times Now, we will have to be charitable to Owaisi. What does he mean by charitable?
No, basically, you have taken a predetermined view that we are again not doing anything. If that is the case, then I cannot answer. You have to give me a chance to talk.
Anything for 10 days.
Well, you haven't done anything for 10 days.
There's no question of not done. We have built up a case. We have collected the evidence. What do you think overnight the things can happen like that?
Subramaniam Swamy.
What evidence do you want? The whole world has seen the YouTube.
Let's get I don't know what evidence is required. Evidence is
you need evidence.
Cut and dry.
It's a police matter. It's not a matter where YouTube can be brought in as an evidence.
Really? So now you're actually going to defend him on television?
That's right.
Subramaniam Swamy. Subramaniam Swamy, you've heard both sides so far.
There are people in Maharashtra who were arrested within 2 days.
Yeah, we want to act.
Because they posted something in an FB. Facebook,
yes, absolutely.
Right? There are people who have been arrested just because of a posting in a Facebook.
No, you see the Andhra Pradesh DGP...
Police need to do a proper job. You cannot dictate that this has to be done in this way and get it done.
So what are you doing now, an improper job? No, what are you doing now, an improper job?
We are doing a proper job, Mr. Arnab. We are doing a proper job.
Really?
Today a medical team has examined Akbar and has found out that he's not well, but tomorrow, medical team from the hospital has examined him.
These are non-bailable cases.
This is Dr. Subramaniam Swamy, please. Nirmala Sitharaman, let's get Dr. Subramaniam Swamy into the debate. No, 1 minute, please. Dr. Subramaniam Swamy. You know, ridiculous comment number 3 before I come to you for your assessment. The DGP said the speech was in Urdu. Hence, we had to translate it. That's another of the reasons for not acting so far. Subramaniam Swamy, why are we having to go through this charade?
Well, you see, it's a part of the present UPA government's capitulationist mentality. It's not only on this issue, and not only of Mr. Owaisi. You have some Zakir fellow going around the country giving even worse speeches. You see what are the speeches being given in the various madrasas and mosques on Friday. So the government is capitulationist and they are capitulated even on this issue. They didn't initiate any action. It was the BJP lawyer cell which went and filed a private complaint, and actions began on that basis. And there's a court direction by which this action has started.
No. Let
him complete. Mr. Khan, let him complete.
And then you see, I feel that this OIC, this junior OIC, seems to have a mental problem, because the whole criticism of Gujarat is that Narendra Modi asked the police to get out of the way, and that's why the massacre took place. You think that now if the police get out of the way in Hyderabad, there's going to be any other different results. Do they not realize that the Hindus of this country are more than 80%? And they are people who are passive, peaceful, and they have had a long tradition of respecting all religions. Unlike other religions like Islam and Christianity, Hinduism formally recognizes
No, but
every
let's not
religion
get into
leading
that.
to God.
No, Dr. Swami.
Now, there is a
Dr.
point
Swami,
up to which they can't be provoked.
Dr. Swami, with respect to
Yes.
you, with respect, one minute, Mr. Khan. Dr. Swami, with respect to you, I beg to differ. This is not Hindu or Muslim. This is an individual against the nation.
What else is there?
This is individual against the nation. This is an individual's hate speech. I don't believe
how
he
many
represents
Muslim
Islam.
leaders
No,
have
he
come
does
out
not
to condemn
represent
this?
Islam. He represents a certain fringe element which must be put in its place. It's not Hindu versus Muslim.
You are
That
no
is the
judge of
agenda of
Islam.
people like
It's
Akbaruddin
the-
Owaisi.
It is the Muslim mullahs who can.
No. On that I disagree.
No. Mullahs only can decide. You go
no.
to Deoband and ask them what is.
Well, I would ask.
You are going overboard. No Muslims subscribe to this
no.
news of what he
Yeah,
has
we are
said.
missing here.
because you are going under the water.
Arnab, what we are missing out here, that it is a non-bailable offence. He is waging a war against the country and trying to spread hatred among communities. On both the counts, they are non-bailable. You don't need to wait for a FIR to be filed by some
so why are we waiting?
legal cell of the BJP or any other party. Suo moto action is possible by the government. If the Congress
It has been taken.
representative is
It has been
saying that
taken
they are
like
trying
that.
to do everything as per law, very well. If they are doing as per law, what did stop them when he violated curfew laws? What stopped them when he was threatening the police officer during election? The election commissioner at that time could have filed a case. The government could have done something about it subsequently when they came to power. Not only that, he has threatened municipal officials who came to, do their jobs. Constantly, hospitals like Nilofer have had women doctors also threatened for some kind of a thing or other. Not a time has the government taken action against these people. It is
Well,
only sitting and watching, saying, let us, if this is what is proper action taking by the Congress government, it
Disown
shows
him.
that they're not
Disown
willing
him.
to take
The
action
one-
against
the
these
one
people.
option-
Repeated offences.
The last time-
Repeated offences
Yes,
which
Nirmal-
are non-bailable.
You see, ridiculous comment number 5, as I come to Dr. Rahmani, ridiculous comment number 5, again, it goes to the DGP of Andhra Pradesh, Dinesh Reddy. He told us today, for you it must be, wrong question to ask the wrong person when we ask the question on this. He says, go ask the investigating officer of Adilabad. For you, it must be a high profile case. For us, it is another case. It doesn't come under, not all comes under the DGP. We really want to ask the Director General of Police of Andhra Pradesh, which world are you in? Sir, with all respect to you. The whole country is talking about Akbaruddin Owaisi and you are trying to brush it under the carpet. Dr. Tasleem Ahmad Rahmani, here is your opportunity. You are President of the Muslim Political Council of India. Take a position today. This man does not represent anyone. Disown him. Isolate him. He has spoken against the nation. 1 minute.
See, Arnab.
He has spoken against the nation and the nation comes first. Disown him tonight on TV.
It's not like owning or disowning. I disown every person in this country who mongers
there
hate,
you are.
who mongers rumors,